Any concerns with long-term high free T, total T levels regarding cardiac remodeling? This would be pertaining to symptom resolution and regarding testosterone only, no AIs.
This is the TRT and Hormone Optimization YouTube channel. And if you want to learn all about the science-based information on this topic, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and you'll be on your way.
Again, he used the word high. He didn't give specifics.
He put high between...
What's high to my primary care is 800. What's high to me is 2,500. I mean, probably. I mean, if you're going to live in the 3,000 range for 20 years, I would be very surprised if you don't experience some level of LVH, maybe cardiomegaly, maybe some plaque buildup, arteriosclerosis, maybe some hypertension over time. I would be surprised if you live that long. And again, you may be genetically predisposed to being totally fine until you're 90 years old. Over the course of many subjects in a trial of grossly elevated T levels, yeah, I would think that you're probably going to you're going to trade years on the back end for quality today. Probably.
Maybe.
Probably. Yeah. Big probably. Yeah. Jordan, agree?
I do. I mean, again, it's all relative, right? Where's that line? Where does it become pathologic? We don't know. I mean, that's why, and again, most guys don't need to, I don't see guys needing to be at 3,000 to feel better. I don't. On average, I'd say, but I mean, you know, we use free T now, talking about 25 to 40 or 25 to 50, somewhere in that range. But for total, on average, on the bell curve, 1,000 to 1,800, somewhere in the middle in there. I'll usually see guys with symptom resolution, and they go higher, and they don't feel as well. That's me too. Like, I know if my free T gets over 45, I don't feel as well as I don't feel bad, but I don't feel right. You know what I mean? There's a fine line there.
I could tell you when my free T was over 100, I couldn't sleep well.
Yep.
I didn't feel well. I had anxiety. I was short-tempered. I would hyperventilate.
Yep, me too.
Reason. I just, my pulse was higher. I didn't like it. It was done for a reason, for a short period back in the day, and I didn't like it.
Yep, so. Same here. I played with high doses, and I know I don't feel as well. I know there's guys on bodybuilding forums like, I feel amazing on a gram a week. It's like, okay, but most guys aren't going to feel that way. And we
feel amazing during your workout, and then the other 23 hours fighting.
Yeah. Yeah, you feel amazing because you're seeing changes in the mirror and it's exciting and all that, but long term you don't, because your penis doesn't work and you don't sleep, and I mean, just you start chasing your tail from side effects. So I mean, we've got one study on 600 milligrams a week for 20 weeks, no detrimental effects, but 20 weeks is nothing compared to lifetime. So you do have to. I mean, testosterone still, I think it's safer than people make it out to be, right? But there are going to be consequences going really super physiologic for a long time, in my opinion. That's not a fact. That's just an opinion.
No one bats an eye over a diabetic injecting insulin. Yet we know that if I move a decimal point over one spot on an insulin administration, I will kill you.
Yeah.
And you can give me 3 vials of testosterone today and I'll have a bad week. That's bad.
Yeah. So it's more of a chronic thing, and there's other factors that are going to come into play. What did you do when you were on that testosterone? How did you live? How did you eat? How did you work out? How much weight did you gain? All kinds of stuff. So everybody's different. There's guys that have taken high dose testosterone for 30 years and are fine as far as we know, and so.
Alright guys, well, do this next. Click on one of these thumbnails to learn a ton more about TRT and hormone optimization. Thanks.